Stop scrolling. Apple's most ambitious iPhone. Yet is almost here, and if the leaks are even half right. The iPhone 17 Pro Max. It could be the first phone that actually feels like it's from the future. New design, smarter cameras, wilder AI, and battery life that finally matches the hypes. So let's dive in. And hey, if you love getting the real story behind the rumors with clear, no-nonsense breakdowns, tap like, smash subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the full hands-on when it drops. Body first design. Picture a sleeker, more purposeful silhouette, edges softened just enough to feel premium in the hand, with a sturdier scratch-resistant finish and a rethought camera island that's less stovetop and more clean bar, giving the phone a unified, almost camera-centric identity. Everything screams refined engineering, from tighter speaker grills to a cleaner frame around that expansive display. Speaking of the display, this panel is the star of the show. Ultra-bright outdoors, buttery smooth scrolling, and color accuracy that's creator-grade, making HDR content pop and mobile gaming look console-level. The bezels, practically a rumor themselves. The front camera system tucks away neatly, whether that's via a smaller cutout or a more discreet layout. The takeaway is the same. More screen, less distraction. Under the hood, Apple's next-gen chip ups the ante not just in raw performance, but in what that performance enables. On-device AI that's faster, more private, and genuinely useful. Think smarter photo sorting that actually knows which moments matter, background object removal that doesn't leave weird halos, voice isolation that cancels out the chaos of a busy street, and live transcription that can follow your accents and switch languages mid-sentence. For creators, the neural tools are the quiet revolution, editing 4K timelines on the go. Applying cinematic color looks right on the phone, and rendering effects that would have required a laptop last year. Now, cameras. This is where the Pro Max flexes. Expect a primary sensor that drinks in light for cleaner night shots, an ultra-wide that finally feels like a first-class lens, rather than a sidekick, and a long-range telephoto that stabilizes like a gimbal for crisp concert clips from the cheap seats. The magic, as always, is Apple's computational wizardry. The phone fuses frames so you get dynamic range without that crunchy HDR look. Skin tones that stay human instead of waxy, and motion handling that freezes the moment without killing the vibe. Video, think tighter, rolling shutter control, richer depth cues, and pro-level modes that make handheld footage look shockingly stable. Plus, smarter focus tracking so your subject remains razor sharp even when you're moving. And yes, selfie fans get love too. Cleaner, wider, and more flattering front-facing shots with better light performance for night-out stories that look like CCTV. Battery life. We're talking all-day endurance that actually means all-day even with heavy camera use, GPS, and social doom scrolling. Smarter charging profiles help preserve battery health. Faster top-ups get you out the door in minutes. And the wireless experience is more reliable on stands, in cars, and with power banks. Thermals matter too. Improved cooling means sustained performance for games and long shoots without the phone toasting your palm. On the connectivity front, expect rock-solid Wi-Fi, low latency, Bluetooth for earbuds that don't stutter during workouts, and USB-C with enough headroom to move big ProRes files or drive external displays when you want a desktopish setup. AirPlay and continuity tie it all together so your phone, tablet, and laptop feel like one system. Now let us talk real-world upgrades you'll actually notice. The lock screen becomes a control center for your day. Live activities with richer, glanceable info, smarter widgets, and context-aware suggestions that tee up what you need before you think to ask. The camera app gets cleaner ergonomics and pro sliders that don't require a tutorial. The Photos app helps you make share-worthy edits in seconds, remove distractions, straighten horizons, and lift subjects with surprisingly accurate edge detection. Dictation and voice control feel less like features and more like superpowers, letting you rough draft scripts, captions, or emails while walking, commuting, or waiting in line. Gamers will notice faster load times, steadier frame rates, and richer haptics that make hits, kicks, and car shifts feel tactile. Creators will love the new capture profiles, loot support, and a pipeline that lets you shoot, grade, and post from a single device. Security and privacy keep tightening in the background. On-device intelligence means fewer uploads to the cloud. App permissions are clearer, and sensitive operations stay locked to your biometrics. And for travelers and outdoorsy folks, satellite-based safety features continue to mature, turning your phone from a gadget into a lifeline when coverage drops. Who is this for? If you've been on an older iPhone and waiting for a truly meaningful leap, this is the generation that finally bundles a better camera system. Smarter AI, tougher build, brighter screen, and longer battery into one no-compromise package. If you're already on a recent Pro Max, the question becomes, do the camera gains, the display polish, and the creator-grade workflow upgrades save you enough time more, unlock enough quality to justify the jump? For many mobile filmmakers, vloggers, students launching side hustles, and professionals who live out of their phone, the answer will lean yes. For everyone else, the calculus is simple. If you want the most capable iPhone, Apple makes the one that will age the best over the next few years. This is the one to watch. Pricing and release windows always spark debate, so here's the practical advice. If you plan to buy, start prepping now. Back up your current phone, clean your storage, list any trade-in devices, and make a short wish list of must-have accessories: case, screen protector, wireless charger, fast USB-C cable, maybe a compact gimbal so you can hit go without scrambling later. And remember, you don't need to by day one. Early reviews and camera shootouts will help you pick the right storage tier and confirm whether the Pro Max's larger display and battery fit your life better than the smaller Pro. Bottom line, the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another spec bump. It's a carefully tuned tool for people who want their phone to be a studio, an office, a cinema, and a safety net, all in one. Slab of glass and metal. Closing. If this breakdown helped you get off the fence, or if you want our honest side-by-side camera tests and battery life stress trials the moment the phone lands, do me a favor, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you don't miss the follow-up. Drop your burning questions in the comments. What's the first thing you want tested? Night video, zoom, gaming, thermals. And I'll pull the best ones into our review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe to our channel for more like this.